All right, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have the first real implementation of my cutscene, still fairly janky. And the world still needs to be populated with terrain for the most part. But I've got something working here. And honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. The camera movement is getting close to what I want. Unfortunately, there's still no audio in the game. I really need to add that in. But I'm liking this cinematically, kind of the feel of this. What I'm going to be going for is some voiceover during this. This is the intro to the game, so you're going to be kind of hearing some voiceover, establishing the world, the story. And then, yeah, just get these camera moves as we pan into the main character as he's flying in and landing on this alien jungle planet where everything will be trying to kill you. But yeah, I'm really liking how it's turning out. Doing this cinematic wasn't as bad as I thought as well. It's really not that difficult. I'm just lining up different keyframe animations. Then, there's still some work to do on the animation, the idle animation for him sitting in the chair. I've got these little screens on either side of him that are sort of him piloting, I guess. But yeah, I like this little pan to where you can see through the window because you're not really going to see the world in the finished product when it's coming at the spaceship. It'll just be in space. But then it will you'll see just a little bit as you go in. And then from here, you'll see this view. And that should help so I don't have to populate the entire world with stuff. I can just populate whatever's going to be in view. But yeah, then we fly in, kind of go through this little dip process where he puts the nose down, then comes up. And then we are going to touch down. And I still need to set it up where you pop out inside the spaceship. Right now, you just pop out outside the spaceship, but I like this so far. It's headed in the right direction. Yeah, so here we are. Also, I don't have a back door on the spaceship. This is just a CSG box that has no collision, so you just kind of jump in. There is a sword sitting right here that you can pick up. Right now I have the camera goes through that, but I have it so the hotbar is hidden currently, but I'm going to have it set up where it's not hidden. Camera inside of the spaceship is still a little rough. You can see there's some weird glitchiness as you kind of run into the walls with the camera. But yeah, you can jump out, and this is going to be kind of the starting point where you can start heading out into the jungle towards the main village, and you start the storyline. But yeah, pretty happy with how far I am into the development of the demo so far. It's coming along pretty good. And once this cinematic is done, I'm going to be, hyped. But yeah, that's the progress right there. And then you can also come into this little zone, which needs to be rebuilt. There's a lot of old assets in here just for no reason. And we've got our little grass creatures here, of course, a bunch of random items strewn on the ground. You can hit these guys. Their main defense mechanism is to just burrow into the ground when they take damage. So you can do that. But yeah, that's pretty much the game so far.